Today we have another microwave experiment. This one's your standard used emergency candle. You can see it's been used before. And once again we have the trusty old Sanyo microwave and all the burnt stuff of things tried before. What we're going to do today is we're going to put the candle and the plate inside the microwave and attempt to switch hands with the camcorder. We're going to light the candle, close the door of course, and we've already preset the timer to 1 minute and 48 seconds just to give a little bit longer show. And we're going to go ahead and hit start and see what plasma looks like. Don't want to burn it up. So, till next time.